Will the repair withstand freezing and thawing cycles? Yes. When installed correctly, the patch resists freeze and thaw damage and returns the pavement to a stable, load-bearing surface. Cold climate endurance depends on three interrelated factors: material chemistry, surface preparation, and compaction technique. Use a polymer-modified asphalt emulsion or a cold mix specifically formulated for low-temperature resilience, because these binders remain flexible below freezing and resist thermal cracking. Remove all water, ice, loose debris, and frost from the defect before placing any patch. Trapped moisture will expand and break bonds during freeze cycles. Apply a Tack coat or primer compatible with the patch material to improve bond strength between the existing pavement and the repair. Place the patch slightly overfilled to allow for compaction loss. Then compact with a vibrating plate or roller until the patch matches the surrounding surface elevation and shows interfacial consolidation. Allow proper cure time specified by the manufacturer before opening to traffic, and protect the area from water infiltration at joints by sealing with a compatible sealant or chamfering edges to shed water away. Common issues arise from insufficient surface drying, inadequate compaction, and incompatible material selection. If the surface is left wet or with frost, the patch will debond during the first freeze. Fix this by delaying work until a dry window, or use infrared heating or propane heaters to remove moisture and thaw the base before installation. Poor compaction leads to air voids that trap water and accelerate failure. Correct this by using the right size and type of compactor, compacting in multiple passes, and ensuring the patch is slightly overfilled before final rolling. Choosing a standard cold mix, not rated for low temperature flexibility, causes cracking. Avoid this by specifying a cold mix or polymer modified binder explicitly designed for freeze-thaw resistance, and by checking the product technical data sheet for low temperature ductility numbers. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who post their services and reviews, so we can compare options for climate-specific repairs. We also give contractors a place to find work and join a discussion community where we share techniques, material experiences, and installation tips.